Freelance Fabrics Kidlington is an Aladdin's cave of fabrics and accessories for you and your home. There is a large selection of table vinyls, ideal for tables, aprons and placing under high chairs to name but a few uses. Available in a variety of designs and colours, which any size can be cut at very competitive prices. In our haberdashery section, you'll find a large selection of wool and knitting accessories, sewing accessories, including needles for handle machine, as well as a machine repair service, ribbon and elastic, cotton tapes for bunting or bag making, as well as buttons and threads in a variety of colours. There is a huge range of cotton print fabrics for the patchwork, projects, bunting and craft people, with over 250 design and colours at very competitive prices. We carry a selection of net curtains available to take away on the day. We stock a number of curtain accessories, including tracks and poles, and we also provide a made-to-measure curtain service where curtains can be made to your exact needs. Or there are ready-made curtains available to order in store. There is a large selection of fabrics available to take away, which has many uses from mending to making into fancy dress. We cut as little as 20 cm from these fabrics. One of the busy sections of our shop is the clearance section, which turns over large volumes of fabrics at discount prices. This fabric is ideal to make curtains and cushions, for which we have cushions insert in many sizes and shapes, from 14-inch to V-pillows. The upholstery foam cutting service is a next day service, although a template is sometimes required. Freelance Fabrics is a fantastic shop with a very helpful, good old-fashioned service, lots of new products coming in all the time. We look forward to seeing you soon.